cook. I am Cem Kaplan. Today we are going to make poğaça. It's a kind of pastry. So let's start. I have 3 normal size potato. I boiled them and let them cool. Now they are cool. Mash the potatoes at first. I mashed 3 potatoes. Here. I take them one side, and as a yeast, I will use fresh yeast. As you see, some olive oil. I will use 1 glass of warm milk. I melted 250 grams of butter and let it cool. It's now cool. I have 2 eggs. I will use 1 for inside. And for second one, I leave the egg yolk. I will use this egg yolk later. 1 spoon of salt. At first, whisk this side with yeast. I dissolve the yeast. Now mix the potato. Now strain the flour. Always strain it. We need a little bit soft dough. Knead the dough. Knead the dough. As you see, it's a little bit tough. Now close a cloth on it. I will put it in refrigerator for around 1 hour. By the way, I will prepare inside of my poğaça. I will use white cheese and parsley. You can also add olive if you like. Take them in a bowl. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. I will mash the white cheese with my hands. And mix them together. Now we are waiting for our dough to be ready. As you see, after an hour, it's almost full. It's like this. Now let's take some dough. and add some cheese in it, and then close it. Give it a round shape like this. Again, add some cheese, and let's close it. As you see, it's ready. Tamam. As you remember, we got one yolk. As you see, I made different shapes. Now, to have a good color, I will use egg yolk. Finally, you can add some sesame on that. Or you can prefer hash also. Now they are ready. As you see, with my dough, I have all this. I preheat the oven at 175 Celsius. Let's wait them to be ready. Poğaça is ready around 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for watching me today. It is harder to crack prejudice than an atom. Please watch my other videos. See you on other episodes. Ciao!